Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the CARRİER air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. When the air conditioner is on, this symbol appears here. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Most people use the air conditioner for cooling purposes. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when the word cool appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. We can raise and lower the temperature with these buttons. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, as it may cause us to get sick. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, and high. If the fan noise in the bedroom bothers you, you can choose the low speed. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button again, and we see the word dry on the screen. This is the air conditioner's drying mode and is intended to reduce the humidity in the house. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button again. The word heat appears on the screen. This is heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. In addition, it will take 20-40 minutes for the air conditioner to reach its rated power in heating mode, depending on the air temperature. To switch to auto fan speed mode, press the fan speed several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. When you press the mode button again, you switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the set temperature at all times. For example, let's say that in this mode we set the air conditioner temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the temperature in the room drops below this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it rises above it, it will operate in cooling mode. By pressing the mode button again, we return to cooling mode. The air direction button is used to change the direction of the air coming out of the air conditioner. The swing button is for moving the air conditioner blind up and down or stopping them in any position. The LED button is for tuning the light on or off the air conditioner. To set the clock, press and hold the clock button for a few seconds, and when the clock starts flashing, adjust the clock using the temperature button and press the clock button again. Sometimes users set the air conditioner temperature to 22-21 degrees Celsius or lower. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours, and again by 1 degree after a few hours. Well, then, when the turbo button is pressed, the air conditioner intensifies cooling by operating at the highest speed and return to the previous fan mode after operating in this mode for 15 minutes. This air conditioner has two timer modes. When the timer button is pressed once, the timer on mode is activated. And when pressed twice, the timer off mode is activated. Timer on is designed to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off is designed to turn off the air conditioner. For example, let's say we go to work early in the morning and want our air conditioner to turn on at 6 p.m. Or we want to set the air conditioner to turn off at 4 a.m. For this, we press the timer button twice and switch to the timer off mode, set it to 4 a.m. and remove our finger. The air conditioner will turn off after working until 4 in the morning. To cancel this mode, you need to press the cancel button. Sometimes, to limit the use of the air conditioner remote control, we press and hold the temperature up and down buttons at the same time for a few seconds and remove our fingers when the K symbol appears. We can exit this mode by pressing the same button again. This air conditioner has two more buttons that can be pressed with a pen. Press this button to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Fahrenheit, Celsius. The reset button is used to reset the air conditioner to its factory setting. After doing this, we will need to set the clock again. Thank you for following us until the end.